Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about properties of 3D object. We know that we used 2D shapes and make a three-dimensional shape. Yes, so that is we say called now net. What is mean by 3D shapes? 3D means nothing but three-dimensional, right? It has three measurements. That means three dimension like length, breadth and height. So what are the 3D shapes? Yes, we know very clearly cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Next one is properties of 3D object. Let's see. First one is cube. A cube has 6 plane faces and 12 edges and 8 vertices. But we know that only sides corner, that's it. But here they given plane faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. What is that? Let's clarify. See here, a vertex is a corner. We know very well, corner. The another name is vertex. That's it. Edges. Edges means nothing but it is sides and faces. See the pictures is how many triangle is there on the shapes? Yes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to plane surface of the figure. We have to count it. Okay, that is we have faces. Okay, so now you have to clarify what is the faces, what is the vertex and what is the edges. Again I tell you this is very important. A vertex is nothing but corner. A edge is nothing but sides. Okay, number of sides. A faces is a single flat surface. See the shapes and we have to count how many faces of that plane is there. So that is the faces. Flat surface. Okay. Here again cube. Cube has 6 plane faces, 6 square faces in cube. So you have to square, count the squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, the vertex is nothing but it is the corner. Okay, so we have 8 corners. So hereafter we say only vertices. Okay, and then edges means nothing but sides. So it has 12 sides. All the 6 faces are equal. How? Because square is a basic shapes of cube. So in square all sides are equal. So we have all the 6 faces are equal. Now you got it. All the 6 faces are equal. Example of cube is dice, ice cubes, building blocks. Okay, see this picture, you have to clarify for very well which is the faces, which is the edges and vertices. Okay, see that in 2 lines met a point. Yes, that is vertices. So here we put a dot. So we have how many dot is there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 vertices. So we have 6 faces. 6 faces means 6 squares in cube. So we have 6. And then 12 edges. 12 edges means we have 12 sides. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That side is 12. So 12 sides is there. Next, cuboid. See here, a cuboid has 6 plane faces. We know that what is the basic shapes of cuboid? Yes, that is rectangle. Here see that how many rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangle and 2 square is there. Okay. And here also 12 edges. Again I say that is sides and 8 vertices. Its opposite faces are equal. Why? Because it is a rectangle we have in basic shapes. So only in opposite faces are equal. For the example, matchbox, bricks, eraser, book, toothpaste box. Okay, shoe box, toothpaste box, everything we have only cuboid. Third one is sphere. In sphere has only one curved surface. Why? Because we have used only curved line to draw sphere and also circle. Second point, it has no vertices and no edges. Why? Because we have used only curved lines. So we can't have vertices and also edges. Example, shot put, ball, globe and laddu. Okay. Cone. A cone has one plane face and one curved surface. Okay. One plane face is what? Yes, that is look like a triangle. And another one is circle. Okay. It has one vertex. Okay. One corner. So example, cone ice cream and joker cap. Okay, cylinder. A cylinder has two plane faces and one curved surface. Okay, so here we have two faces and one curved surface. It has no edges and no vertices. Example, straw, gas cylinder, pipe. Now we have to clearly know what is 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Here we are going to compare and differentiate 2D and 3D object. See the tabular column, concept, 2D and 3D. Definition. 2D means we know that 2 dimension, 3D 3 dimensions. What is dimension? Dimension is nothing but measurements. How many measurements is there? In 2D shapes we have two measurements. One is length and another one is breadth. In 3 dimension we have length, height and width. Width also breadth like. And example, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, quadrilateral shapes. And 3D we have cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder we had. Right? Homework, write the answer of all the questions. Okay children, bye. Thank you.